Hello everybody, Dontronathon here, and we're going to do this right here. What it is, we're going to show you how to do grilling now. First you put all your briquettes in a thing, and you put it in that little circular motion, and therefore you fill it with a gob of lighting fluid. I'll show you, such as this, and just put a gob of it, you know, just all over it. Give it a bath, basically, and then be happy about it. Take your little lighter here and try not to blow it up. Ready? Ooh, that's nice. Kind of let it soak. You know, oh, we lost a briquette. Oh my God, it's after me. Gonna be eating good tonight. God, it's burning me up. We got just a steak right here. I forgot how many that'd be probably a good size, and then that one about three good sizes. But to begin with, this is the key ingredient. Iodize this salt here, and then you just decorate it with salt. Nice. Go ahead and make you a rub kind of thing out of peppers. We're gonna rub it here in a second. Good God, I got some garlic powder mix that I made. Don't want too much of that stuff. It's pretty potent. Then, of course, you take your clean hands, just such as this from the charcoal. Good as new. And then you just rub it right in, y'all. Just like the man said. Oh, God, we about died. Rub it in there. We're tenderizing this meat, and it will sit. I ain't for sure why they put these maxi pads in here. Not to get salt all over your hood of your car. Good bit of salt. This will tenderize your meat. Yeah, a little pepper, garlic, a little bit of garlic and onion, and you just rub it right in, y'all. I want to taste that. All right, these are hickory briquettes. If you notice, they have wood inside of the little briquettes, so it's gonna get that hickory smokes flavor to it. If you get my drift. See how it's starting to whiten right there? That's ideal. You want most of this to be white before you start commencing your cooking operation. All right, I'll get back to you when that happens. But until the meantime, we're gonna let that sucker sit and penetrate. Master, get the cat. We going to Nashville. All right, we're back here. It looks like it's turning white, but daggone it, I want it to burn. You know what I mean? So let's just... Am I putting it out? What's going on here? Looks like my fire's went out, so I guess we'll relight it. Ready? Oh, God! No fury like a woman scorn. Well, now that she died down, I figured I'd go ahead and try to cut this, you know, into the threes that we were talking about. Right here's one. But it's going to be hard to do with one hand. But we'll try it. That's the way we're going to cut it. Be back in flash. Now that's a knife. I normally take the grill cleaner deal and just do something like this. And just move it around. Everywhere it's white, it's going to be hot. So remember that. And it's smoking good, man. I think she's ready to cook. God, I'm about to die. Smoke follows the beauty. I'm literally breathing out cigarette smoke is what it looks like right there. There's you a piece. There's smoke. That's right. We don't leave it in there but about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. I want that smoky flavor. Go ahead and cover this up. Open this up just a bit. And make sure this sucker, where the crap you put it. There she is. Make sure these are open wide. See them embers getting hot? Woo, doggy, don't stick your finger in there. Now I forgot to tell y'all, we're going to go ahead and make some baked potatoes the easy way. And all you got to do is make you a cut all the way like you're getting ready to peel it. I mean, like you're getting ready to eat it, okay? Now I cut it deep too. See? All the way to the bottom. This way, they won't explode in the microwave. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's a lot of taters, but I'm a pretty big fella, about 7 foot tall and bulletproof. So we just stick it in that dirty microwave right there. Put her in there. I'm going to put it in there for 12 minutes, 30 seconds. All right, Yonder, go ahead and somebody clean my microwave. There she is. We'll be back. All right, now we're going back to multitasking. Go ahead and check our steaks. Oh my gosh, look at there. They've been in here about 2 minutes. Oh, don't you say nothing. Flip them over. Yeah, I'm getting some grill marks. Yes, sir. You don't want them to be in there too long. Alright, well, we'll check them on again in about 2 minutes and it should be done. Here's a quarter, call someone who cares. Yeah! There's a little girl in our neighborhood, name is Charlie Johnson, she really looking good. When you're blind, I'm in the stand, I'm in the I'm glad to be back. My name's John Lee Petty Moore. She's as pretty as the angels when they sing. I can't believe I'm out here on the front porch in this swing, just a swinging. All I ever saw Granddaddy around here. I only come to town about twice a year. And I worked hard all week. Got a little jingle. Got a news from the news. It's kept me a hand around. Spend my dollars, parking a Harley mountain moonlight. Hold her up tight, make a little love here. A little turtle doven on the Mason-Dixon night. Here's my life, oh so right, my Dixieland delight. Suey. Alright, we're gonna check her out now and see if she's got any. Oh my God, you smell that? Oh my mouth is just watered for the blessings. Let's see what she looks like on this other side. Oh, they're done. Oh my Lord, and they should be. Smell that. Oh, tell you what, it's so hard to record everything with one dang hand. Got to let these suckers rest for a good 3 minutes. You'll start seeing the blood come out. It ain't blood, it's juices to break it down, that protein. Just in time. Alright, let's check her out. Ooh, nasty. Oh, it's hotter than flames. God. You know how hard you like your taters? Yes, sir. Ooh, it burns my fingers. Oh, God. And there you have it. See, I told you there'd be a little bit of blood in there, but these suckers is ready to plate and eat. Easy. Took me like 10 minutes total. That's all it is to it. And if you want to subscribe, go ahead. I'll show you how to do some cool stuff. Dontranathon style. So until next time, everybody have one of them good ones, alright? Links are in the description, people. Links are in the description. Bye.